Next, now you will learn divide any polynomial by binomial using long division method and check your answer. Long division method is clear to you, how we divide polynomial by a monomial or by binomial or any trinomial using long division method. What is the first step? You have to write dividend and divisor. It is dividend and it is the divisor, both in standard form. First step is this: write the dividend and divisor in standard form. And what is the standard form? We have to write polynomial decreasing order degree wise. So first of all we will write 15x raised to power 2, because here power of x is 2. Second, we will write plus x, because here power of variable is 1. And in last we will write constant term. And same we will write divisor in standard form. First of all we will write 3x and plus 2. Now what is the method, long division method? First term divided with the first term. It is positive, it is also positive. So we will find 15 divided by 3, 5, and bases are same, power will be subtracted, 2 minus 1, it means x. We will find 5x. It will be the first term of question, 5x. Now we will multiply divisor by the question. We will multiply both the terms of divisor with first term of question. Now if we multiply 5x with 3x, we will find 5 3s are 15, bases are same, power will be added, x raised to power 2, plus 5x multiplied with plus 2, we will find 5 2s are 10 and x. Now we have to write these two terms here below like terms. 15x raised to power and 15x raised to power are like terms. So we will write here 15x square. X and 10x are like terms. We will write here 10x. What is the next step? We have to subtract the subtrahend. It is positive, now it will be negative. It is positive, now it will be also negative. So plus 15 minus 15 is 0. And plus 1x, x means 1x. And minus 10x, we will find minus 9x. And we will now minus 6. It means minus 9x and minus 6 is the new dividend. No need to write out here 0. Same, check it is standard form or not. Now it is in standard form. Now same method, first term divided by the first term, minus 9x divided by the 3x. Now we will find here minus 9 divided by 3, we will find negative sign. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and x cancel or x raised to power 1 minus 1, it means x raised to power 0, and x raised to power 0 is 1. So we will find out only 3, minus 3. It will be the second term of the question, minus 3. Next, now we will multiply 3x plus 2 with minus 3. First we will multiply this, plus multiply with negative, we will negative sign, 3 3s are 9x. Now second term will be multiply, answer will be minus 6. So we will write like terms, minus 9x and minus 6. Now we will subtract the subtrahend, minus 9x and minus 6 is the subtrahend. It will be positive and it will be also positive. Minus 9 plus 9 is 0. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0. Here remainder is 0. So dividend is this, divisor is this, quotient is this. Dividend is 15x raised to power 2 plus x minus 6. Divisor is 3x plus 2 and quotient is 5x minus 3 and remainder is 0. Now next is verify or check your answer. Now we have to check our answer by using division algorithm. What is the division algorithm? Dividend, verification and check. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. It is the division algorithm. Same, we have to write 15x raised to power 2 plus x minus 6. Here divisor is 3x plus 2. You have to write down in bracket, multiply by quotient 5x minus 3, write down in bracket plus 0. Now we have to multiply 3x multiply with 5x minus 3 plus 2 multiply with 5x minus 3. Here it is 0. Distributive property we will apply. 15x raised to power 2 minus 9x plus 10x and minus 6. We will solve like terms. It is 15x raised to power 2 plus x minus 9x plus 10x is plus x minus 6. It is the same. If it is the same, then our solution is right. If these are not same, somewhere solution is wrong. Check again and find out the correction. Second question. Y raised to power 3 minus 8 divided by y minus 2. Here dividend is y raised to power 3 minus 8 and divisor is y minus 2. We have to write in standard form y raised to power 3 minus 8 and divisor is also y minus 2. First term divided by the first term, we will get y raised to power 2. 3 minus 1, 2. It is the first. Now we will multiply y raised to power 2 with y. We will find y raised to power 3. When we will multiply y raised to power 2 with minus 2, minus 2 y raised to power 2. Here no term with this like term minus 2 y raised to power 2. So we will write here separate. Now next is we will subtract the subtrahend. It will be negative, it will be positive. It is 0. Now first of all we will write this because we will write the dividend in standard form. So first of all we will write 2y raised to power 2 and then we will write constant term. Same method we will apply. First term divided by first term. We will find 2y. It is the second term plus 2y. We will multiply 2y with all the terms. 2y with y. We will find 2y raised to power 2. and plus 2y multiply with minus 2, we will find minus 4y, where we will write here. Again subtract the subtrahend. It is negative, it is positive. First of all we will write 4y and minus 8. Again first term divided by the first term, 4y divided by y, we will get 4 plus 4. Again we will multiply plus 4 with this 4y and minus 8. We will subtract the subtrahend. It will be negative and it will be positive. Plus 4 minus 4 is 0. Minus 8 plus 8 is also 0. Here remainder is also 0. Write down the dividend. Y raised to power 3 minus 8, divisor y minus 2, and question y raised to power 2 plus 2y and plus 4, and remainder is 0. We will check dividend equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. You have to write quotient completely, remainder completely. What is the dividend? Y raised to power 3 minus 8. What is divisor? Y minus 2. Write in bracket. What is the quotient? Y raised to power 2 plus 2y plus 4. And what is the remainder? It is 0. So we will multiply this binomial and it is trinomial. Y with y raised to power 2 plus 2y plus 4 and minus 2 y raised to power 2 plus 2y plus 4. Apply distributive property. Y raised to power 3 plus 2y raised to power 2 plus 4y minus 2y raised to power 2 minus 4y and minus 8. Collect the like terms. Y raised to power 3 plus 2y raised to power 2 minus 2y raised to power 2 plus 4y minus 4y and minus 8. Y raised to power 3, it is 0, it is also 0, it is minus 8. It means it is y3 minus 8. It means it is the same. It means our solution is right. I hope, dear students, long division method will be clear to you and how to check the answer by using division algorithm. Thank you.